Breaking news out of Colorado Springs, a massive overnight raid has shaken the city. More than 100 immigrants allegedly in country illegally were detained after federal agents stormed an underground nightclub operating out of a strip mall. Authorities say the club was a hotbed of drug trafficking, prostitution and violent crimes, and shockingly, some active duty military members were caught running security and even participating in illegal activities. DEA agents seized guns, cocaine and deadly drug pink cocaine, also known as tusi. The nightclub had been under months of surveillance with ties to violent gangs like Tren de Aragua, MS-13 and even the Hells Angels. President Trump hailed the operation, calling it a strike against some of the most worst people in the country, while warning that America's safety depends on winning immigration battles at the Supreme Court. Colorado Springs mayor praised the raid, emphasizing zero tolerance for crime, while even Democratic Governor Jared Polis backed the crackdown on illegal drugs and firearms. Federal agents from over 100 agencies took part in dramatic video shows, occupants scrambling as officers smashed windows and demanded surrender in English and Spanish. This major burst marks a critical moment in Trump administration's aggressive push for law and order across America.